Hello, my name is Marc Landry, and I'm the City Manager of Moncton, New Brunswick, Canada. We have a population in our city. We're the largest city in the province of 75,000 people, and we service a community of 140,000 people. I'm also the past president of the Canadian Association of Municipal Administrators, and as well a previous International City Managers Association board member. I wanted to provide you an update on the situation on the COVID-19 or coronavirus in Canada and how that's impacting our municipality. So basically in Canada currently, we have just over 2,700 cases of confirmed cases, and we have 27 people who have unfortunately passed away from the virus. In Canada, we're divided in terms of provinces. So in terms of our country, we have 36 million people, and then we're divided in different provinces. So for example, in our province, New Brunswick, we have 750,000 people, and currently we have 18 cases. So what is being done in Canada is really looking at essential services only. So what you can see is you can pretty much only go to grocery stores or to pick up required items. And they're really promoting that social isolation and the social distancing, so to make sure that we minimize our interactions with others, to minimize the spread of the virus. And as well, on the municipal side, we have our emergency command centers or emergency operations centers, all operational across the country, so to coordinate our internal resources to make sure we can support the public and residents and encourage them to stay safe. So we continue to operate as best we can, and in a lot of our communities, for example, we have approximately 700 city employees. All of our employees that work here at our City Hall facility are pretty much all working from their homes, and we have reduced workforce for our outdoor workers and to make sure that they stay safe. So what we're doing as an organization is we can anticipate this might be a long-term going in the months ahead. We're really looking at what can we do to make sure our employees are safe and that we can ensure a safe workforce. So again, we're following what's going on across the world, and we as a local government, as a municipality, we're really trying to follow the lead from our federal government, so our national government, and as well as our provincial and state government. So we're trying to minimize the one-off decisions that we make as an organization and really try to follow the expertise and the health professionals' direction and advice. So we hope that by putting these measures in place that we will curb and start seeing the cases go down. But the reality here is we're starting to get a lot more testing done across the country, so the experts are estimating that will increase the number of cases that are reported because we'll actually have the proper testing done. So it's a big discussion. A lot of us in the municipal world that have been working here for a number of years, probably just like you, have never seen this before, so it's really a unique circumstance. And I think the other important item is to continue sharing our best practices from what are being done in local governments across the world. I think a lot of us don't necessarily have the direct playbook on how to do step-by-step approach, but I think if we can continue sharing information, that's very positive. So again, I wanted to thank you for this opportunity. And if you have any questions or comments or best practices you want to share, I will leave you my email address, which is marc.landry, so that's marc.landry at Moncton, moncton.ca. So keep up the good work across the world, and thank you very much, and hope to see you again in the near future. Thank you. Merci.